everyone, it's Christy from Birdsong. I just wanted to take a second and to show you a few things that are special to us. We are very community oriented. We like to give back, especially because you all have been so loving for us. So here's a few things that we carry. These tweezers were actually made in Nicholasville, Kentucky. And my seam ripper. Mr. Darrell Combs is a preacher here in Kentucky, and he actually hand turns these on a lathe, and they just simply pop out. We've got 3 different versions of the seam ripper, but also a Kentuckian. And then we have somebody who is near and dear to our heart, Mr. Jim Parker. Jim makes these mini ironing boards that Joey had talked about earlier. Hi, Dallas. Jim Parker makes these ironing boards that Joey had talked about earlier. Each ironing board comes with a tag, but it also comes with a card. Mr. Parker makes these mini ones, but he also makes ones that will fit on your table and ones that will fit on your existing ironing boards. So come and pick your little one up and then give him a call and see what he can do to help you out with your bigger needs. Now, Mr. Parker came up with a new idea. These are so cool. They are ruler bases. They simply sit down. They're made of wood. They're slotted out. And for those of you all who love your purple thing, here's a wooden one made right into the back of it for you. But it's real simple, and it fits all types. They just sit right down in there. So we appreciate all the love and support that you give us, and we will continue to support Kentucky. Thank you all.